Welcome to Lifestyles of Martha. So today it's about the wet look style. As you can see, I managed to wake up with my hair still looks this beautiful. So the products which I used Eco Styler gel, then I used Worlds of Curls, then my brush. These were the 3 items that I needed for this style. And watch me as I turn from my natural self to the wet look style. You want to start this when your hair is soaking wet. That's how you can achieve this style. I already began on the back side. I already sectioned it, and I want a side part. So you'll see me spray my hair and adding the product. So now I'm back to show you the outcome of the style. Yalla, here I am. These are my final results. I'm like as if I cut off my hair. What do you think? Bye bye. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting things about travel, hair, and food.